guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pracheta here. If you're new here, so you know what to do. Just subscribe if you like the content, makeup, fun challenge and horror challenges. As you know, New Year is just coming so soon. So I just thought to create some glam makeup look for New Year parties. So if you like this look, so keep on watching till the end to see how I created this bronzed glam makeup look. I already done my skincare. If you want to know that how I did that, just go in the description box. So I'm just starting my makeup with a primer. It's Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. Then taking an eyebrow pen from Hilary Rhoda. I don't have lots of gaps in my eyebrow, so I'm just giving a shape to it. This pen also had a spoolie, so I'm just brushing up my eyebrows. Taking a concealer from Wet n Wild and just cleaning the edges of my eyebrows to make it look more sharp. And yeah, definitely I'm using my fingers to blend this. You can see my brows are done. Taking a liquid foundation from Maybelline Fit Me and applying it with a dot process on my whole face and neck. I just take a damn beauty blender to blend all of this. If you want, you can also go with brushes. I'm just using a concealer as an eyeshadow primer, and it's the same concealer from Wet n Wild. You can see in which areas I'm just concealing, and it's also a technique to make your face look uplifted. Be careful when you are concealing your nose bridge. I am again taking the same blender to blend my concealer. You can also go with brushes. And you can see my base is looking flawless. Now I am taking a color corrector palette from Marts and using the dark brown shade as my cream contour. It blends so well. You can see the difference. I am also contouring my forehead. Now came the most important part, contouring my nose. And you can see it's looking beautiful. Taking the same palette and applying the dark peach and light peach shade as my blush. I also apply blush a little bit on my forehead and chin. Taking a loose powder from Blue Heaven, I am applying the loose powder with the blender, and if you want to use a brush, you can definitely go with that. Taking a bronzer for my eye makeup from Sugar. Applying this bronzer in my crease with a fluffy brush. Blend the eyeshadow with the upward strokes. Taking the golden shimmery shade. Placing the shimmery shade in the middle of my eyelid. And definitely blending that. Now just brushing off the excess powder from my face. Taking this sparky shade and applying it on my lower lash line. This liner is from Maybelline New Work. Trying to draw a wing liner.
2,000 years later.
Taking my favorite Maybelline Colossal Mascara and applying it. Again taking the golden shimmery shade to apply as a highlighter. This lip liner set is from Swiss Beauty. I am just bordering my lips and contouring my lips. You can see how I am doing that and filling the inner corners of it. Taking a Lakme Cushion Matte Lipstick, and it's a nude shade. I really forgot the shade number. And this is a makeup looks like. If you guys are enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.